Let's move to India's Jammu and Kashmir, where the security forces have launched a series of counter-terrorism operations to demolish the cobweb of Pakistan-aided terrorism in the region. Let's remind you that the Kashmir Valley witnessed a series of attacks on civilians by these terrorists in recent days. In the operation by security forces, many top commanders of terror outfits were eliminated. We have a report.
There have been continuous attempts by neighboring Pakistan and its proxies to disrupt peace in the Kashmir Valley. Not only the Pakistan Army is carrying out ceasefire violations at the line of control, but it is also helping the terrorists to infiltrate into the Kashmir Valley. The aim is to create fear psychosis and disturbance in the region. Unfortunately, the malicious attempts by Pakistan gets a setback by alert Indian security forces who time and again keep foiling infiltration bids and eliminating terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian Army, the Central Reserve Police Force and Jammu and Kashmir Police are jointly carrying out counter-terrorism operations in the Kashmir Valley. In a recent shootout in Srinagar city, security forces killed 3 terrorists belonging to the Resistance Front. Its top commander, Mehran Yassin, was also among those killed in the operation. Mehran was involved in the killing of 2 teachers and another civilian in the city.
What Mehran has been doing ever since he became active, he was earlier working as associate with Abbas Sheikh, and he's the one who was providing all kind of logistic support to Abbas when he was active in Srinagar city and elsewhere. He is responsible along with his associates for the killing of our sub-inspector Arshad. He is responsible for a grenade attack on 26th of June 2021 at Barbarsha, in which 1 innocent civilian was killed and 3 of them were injured.
Narco-terrorism is also emerging as a big challenge for the security agencies in Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan has been using narcotics as a major financing tool to sponsor terrorism in the region. The Jammu and Kashmir police arrested 1 person and seized 52 kilograms of heroin worth ₹100 crore or $13.4 million during a routine check in Jammu district.
कुल मिलाकर के जो नारकोटिक्स का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है, स्मगलिंग है पाकिस्तान की तरफ से, वो पूरे साल के अंदर बड़ी स्केल पे हुआ। कुछ इंसिडेंट ऐसे भी सामने आए जहां ड्रोन्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया नारकोटिक्स को स्मगल करने के लिए, पाकिस्तान की तरफ से इस तरफ ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के लिए। तफ्तीश के दौरान काफ़ी बड़े इंटरस्टेट कनेक्शंस ड्रग माफिया के सामने आए, जिसके ऊपर जम्मू पुलिस ने, कश्मीर पुलिस ने मिलकर के बहुत अच्छा काम किया। हमारी कोशिश है कि नारकोटिक्स का जो सिलसिला पाकिस्तान की तरफ से जहां और पंजाब में चलता है, और फिर नार्को टेरर के नेटवर्क को चलाने की जो कोशिशें होती हैं कि नारकोटिक्स का सेल हो, उनकी सेल से जो पैसा अवेलेबल हो उसको मिलिटेंसी में फिर से पंप इन किया जाए।
Peace and development in Jammu and Kashmir does not suit Pakistan at all. Despite international condemnation, Islamabad continues to send its proxies to infiltrate into the Kashmir Valley and create fear among the people. Also, recruitment of local Kashmiri youth to spread Pakistan's terror agenda remains a significant issue, as terror recruitment in the valley has not seen complete reduction as compared to previous years. They are desperately trying to create an atmosphere of fear and terror among people that would hinder the economy and progress in the Union Territory.